Let's go get him again.
This is my first bottle of the brand of Hermetica. This brand right here, I'll be honest, this is going to be my very first sniff of the brand. I haven't heard of this brand just since recently, to be quite honest. On YouTube, there's probably a handful of YouTubers that spoke about this brand. No real hype or anything like that. So these are kind of fun to do, unbox these and let you know what I think about it. Keep it tuned in. Fragrance family, welcome to the Robe Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today, we're unboxing, giving a first impression on a brand that I haven't smelt before, and that's Hermetica and their oud-based release called VerticalOud. Now, VerticalOud released back in 2018, and like I said in the introduction, this brand, I have no previous sniffs from the brand. This is going to be actually my very first sniff of the brand, full bottle. This is their take on a Oud Rose Saffron combo, which, as you know, if you're following me, I feel the market is oversaturated in that lane. So it all depends on the secondary notes or those primary notes, what this fragrance is going to do. Because if it is a typical Rose Oud Saffron combo, you have a hell of a climb to do to even sweep me off my feet, because there is so many out there and I own at least 24 of them. So you got to be good. I got a really good rose based one. I got a really good oud based one. I even got a really good saffron based one. So you got to come correct. So Hermetica has quite a challenge with VerticalOud to really impress me. We'll see. But if you're interested, once I unbox this thing, you can get this sent at Etiquette in Montreal, beautiful Montreal, Quebec in Canada, or you could go to Euro Perfumes in the States, and they do have these in stock for you. This brand, interestingly enough, is alcohol-free, so that is interesting. They are distributed by Memo, so that's also interesting. So very much a green brand here, so we'll see what we can get, and it comes in this their boxes are a gold cylinder apparently, and it's got some stickers to rip off here. So let's get to unboxing. I got my beautiful Montreal Canadiens steak knife here to rip off this sticker here at the bottom, because I need to get to the bottle, and I'm assuming it's going to come out from the bottom. I'm not too sure, to be quite honest. I've never purchased, so it's kind of a whoop, there it is. So this is a 50 mil, and they have a nice green color. The cap kind of looks like whoa, it's got some weight to it. That's good. That's very, very good. It kind of looks like the actual box itself, but atomizer, you got Hermetica, the name of the brand, etched right there, VerticalOud EDP. It's from a line called the Vertical Ambers. So let's delve into this one, and again, it's dubbed as a Oud Rose Saffron combo. So let's delve into it. And again, I'm assuming the green bottles. I'm assuming, I might be wrong, because they're a very green company because of the alcohol free. Let's go. Very light off the strip. Very fruity. Raspberry. It almost comes out as a jammy rose, but that's a raspberry note. The rose is there. Oud, no. A lot of raspberry. This is a very, honestly, I was not expecting that. I just gotta, it's very faint off the strip. So this is one of those fragrances that I think you'll need to put it on your skin. Can't put it on my skin right now. I'm testing out something, but yeah, very fruity off top. Raspberry comes to mind. There's nothing that dark. Some compare this to Tuscan Leather. I'm not getting much leather here off the strip. So it's one of those that you're probably going to have to put it on your skin, because Tuscan Leather definitely doesn't smell like a Oud Rose Saffron combo. It's a leather raspberry combo. I'm definitely getting the raspberry. It's very smooth as a scent, very fruity though. I'm not getting much of the pepper. I'm getting rose. I'm not getting much leather or oud, to be quite honest. Nothing crazy here. Very fruity. Very underwhelming off the bat. Gotta say, it's very light off the strip, so it's not showing me much that it's going to give me lots of projection or longevity. It's very faint. Not much background to it. And these are the type of scents, I guess, that you have to put it on skin. And that happens sometimes. So this is not the full story, and I'm not going to poo-poo the brand too much right now. But the raspberry note itself, very well done. The rose is back in it. Almost kind of goes to like that jammy rose, but it's very thin. People are talking about Tuscan Leather light. I don't see it. I don't smell any leather off this. I don't smell any oud off this. And I don't smell any saffron off this. So there's not much here. Raspberry, rose, maybe an ambery backbone. That's about it right here. And I'm pushing it. Yeah. So at the end of the day, VerticalOud, man, that's a little disappointing, honestly. We'll see. Again, I'm not going to poo-poo it until I have it on skin. I like to give fragrances a chance, especially at this price range. I think this one's around 100 USD. Then the big boy, the 100 mil, is around 200 USD. So that is a hefty price to pay for a raspberry rose. I'm sure it's going to develop a lot more than that. But wanted to give you guys my initial impression, obviously off a strip. So there you have it, VerticalOud from the house of Hermetica, first on my channel. Definitely felt like this may be a winner. Looks like it may go in the other direction. We'll see. But now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. They can't all be winners today. They really can't. So I'd love to see yours about this brand too. If you have smelt anything from Hermetica, please let us know in the comments below. Maybe there's something that I'm snoozing on that you'd want us to share on my channel. As always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your fragrance wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.